Of course, everyone know in the dressing room that Northeast has not won any game till now, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because they changed the head coach 10 days ago. They are trying to find their first point, their first victory, and we don't have to have any confidence with that, no? Our goal for tomorrow is to repeat a good performance, to get 3 points, and to be consistent.
Because I always want to get points from opponents, so I don't scare about one club in India, especially in India. I respect all club. Goa have an amazing team with amazing player. Really, the quality of the player of Goa, the style of Goa for many years, everybody know in India, the technique, the academy. We will play in different way. As I say, we change with me. Approach on the game will be a bit different. Will be different Northeast United.